disappointing. I'm going to review these pasta bowls that I got off Amazon. The brand is KooK, K-O-O-K, like that. Honestly, I think they were labeled as pasta bowls, but I use these for pasta, soup, salad, anything that you need a slightly larger bowl for. My favorite thing about them is that they are both dishwasher and microwave safe, which is very important in this household. They come in a bunch of different colors. I got this light blue color, just kind of match what I have here. But I've had them for a while. They're holding up really well. And for me, it's just the perfect size for, you know, if you want to have a salad for lunch or pasta for dinner, soup for dinner. Definitely recommend if you're looking for something like this brand, K-O-O-K, KooK, go grab them off Amazon.
He fix his own.
Did you put the bread in there?